Hello friends, welcome to Determination. In this video, I will be deriving the equation of y parameters in terms of z parameters. So these are the equations of y parameters and z parameters. So let's begin. So from this equation, we can write I1 will be equal to V1 minus Z12 into I2 upon what? Z11. Similarly, from this equation, we can write that I2 is equal to V2 minus Z21 into I1 divided by Z22, right? Now let's put this I2 in this equation. So you get I1 is equal to V1 upon Z11 minus Z12 upon Z11 into V2 minus Z21 I1 divided by Z22, right? So on simplifying, you get I1 minus Z12 into Z21 upon Z11 into Z22 is equal to V1 upon Z11 minus Z12 upon Z11 into Z22 into V2, right? So you get I1 Z11 into Z22 minus Z12 into Z21 divided by Z11 into Z22 will be equal to Z22 into V2 minus Z12 into Z22 into V1 minus Z12 into V2 divided by Z11 into Z22. This and this gets cancelled. Let's put this whole term as delta Z. So you get I1 is equal to Z22 upon delta Z V1 minus Z12 upon delta Z V2, right? On comparing this equation with this equation, you can write that Y11 equal to Z22 divided by delta Z, right? And Y12 is equal to minus Z12 divided by delta Z, correct? So now let's put I1 in the equation of I2, right? So you get I2 is equal to V2 minus Z21 upon Z22. Oh, it's V2 upon Z22, right? Into I1. What is I1? I1 is V1 minus Z12 into I2 the whole divided by Z11, correct? So on simplification, you get I2 is equal to 1 minus, again it is Z21 into Z12 upon Z11 into Z22 is equal to V2 upon Z22 minus Z21 upon Z11 into Z22 into V1, correct? So you get I2 is equal to, on cross multiplying, you get it as Z11 into Z22 minus Z21 into Z12, which is delta Z upon Z11 into Z22. Let's write this term as first this time, minus Z21 upon Z11 into Z22 V1 plus, let's multiply it, Z11 into V2 upon Z11 into Z22. Hence we get I2 as, cause this denominator gets cancelled, I2 is equal to minus Z21 upon delta Z V1 plus Z11 upon delta Z V2. So on comparing I2 with this equation I2, we get Y21 is equal to minus Z21 upon delta Z and Y22 is equal to Z11 upon delta Z, correct? Hence Y11 is equal to Z22 upon delta Z, Y12 is equal to minus Z12 upon delta Z, Y21 is equal to minus Z21 upon delta Z, and y22 is equal to z11 upon delta z.